Before you watch another biotech headline, pause. Because in 2026, most drug programs won't fail in the lab. They'll fail on paper, in boardrooms, and at regulators' desks. If you're an investor, a founder, or just trying to understand where pharma money is really going, pick up a pen. 4 words decide who survives 2026. Biology, endpoints, CMC, regulatory. Let's start with biology, the promise. Obesity, diabetes, metabolic disease. These drugs aren't just medicines anymore, they're economic engines. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most pipelines are chasing the same biology, same GLP-1 pathways, same targets, same mechanisms. In 2026, biology alone won't impress investors. The question is no longer, does it work? It's, does it work better, longer, or cheaper? Because if your biology isn't meaningfully differentiated, someone else already has it, or will in 12 months. Now comes the silent killer, endpoints. This is where great science goes to die. Regulators don't approve stories, they approve measurable benefit. In 2026, endpoints are getting tighter, especially for gene therapies and high-priced drugs. Durability, real-world outcomes, meaningful patient impact. Miss the right endpoint, and 5 years of R&D becomes a press release nobody cares about. Then there's the part nobody puts on the slide deck, CMC, chemistry, manufacturing, and control. Can you actually make this drug? At scale, at quality, at a cost payers will tolerate. In 2026, manufacturing is no longer back-end risk, it's front-page risk. If your drug needs perfect conditions, fragile supply chains, or heroic assumptions, the market will punish you fast. Finally, regulatory. This year, regulators are sending a clear message. Show us the value and control the price. Europe is tightening access. The US is watching pricing. Approval is no longer the finish line. Post-approval scrutiny is the new battlefield. And in 2026, regulatory strategy can make or break your valuation overnight. So here's the truth about 2026. Hype won't survive. Weak differentiation won't survive, and poorly thought-out pipelines definitely won't survive. The winners will master all 4: biology, endpoints, CMC, regulatory. Not one, all 4. Because in 2026, the market stops betting on stories and starts rewarding execution. If you want to decode pharma the smart way, subscribe. Because we don't chase headlines here, we break them down.